My brand, Raw, Rebelling Against Waste for the Future, has the vision to raise awareness of waste from unwanted objects by transforming these relinquished objects into bespoke furniture to broaden mindsets around waste. The local government association states that flighting can cost the taxpayers more than $57 million a year, and my brand can possibly contribute to this agenda, demonstrating the versatility of the city waste such as doors, clocks and bicycles, to reinvent these discarded objects to make something invisible visible. Each year around 100,000 doors are saved by the UK architectural salvage trade, but there is a whopping 2 million which are thrown away. Many doors end up in skips, which are then sent to recycling centres to be mechanically processed. The leftover waste timber is sent to power stations to be burnt for energy. My project interrupts this chain of events by collecting doors, giving them new life through upcycling, which saves energy and carbon emissions. The vertical collection is a practical design applicable to intimate spaces like hospitality. The central hole in the door of the bench reveals fluctuating patterns, exposing the architecture of the doors, reminiscent of Art Deco. In the crossover collection, cutting into different doors produce varying shapes and sizes of exposed edge. The variations differ from era whether it's handmade or mass-produced. These distinctive characteristics are maximised by utilising the changing weight in the line. The diagonal collection embodies imbalance, risk and negative spaces, going against conventions. The pieces create the idea of sinking into the ground, falling away. This creation of bespoke furniture will promote the value in these relinquished objects, creating a platform to increase visibility and conversations around these objects, to show a positive, encouraging view of what furniture can be and enforce the message of rebelling against waste for the future.